Welcome to the new video of Charismatic Planet. Birdwatching has become a beloved hobby for many, offering a peaceful retreat into nature and an opportunity to observe the beauty of avian life. Among the diverse bird species that captivate bird watchers, the yellow-breasted greenfinch stands out with its vibrant colors and unique behavior. Known for its striking yellow breast and green plumage, this bird is a visual delight for bird enthusiasts and researchers alike. This is also called Himalayan yellow-breasted greenfinch, which is a small bird typically measuring between 12 to 14 centimeters in length. It weighs around 16 to 18 grams, making it a lightweight yet sturdy bird. Its vibrant yellow breast is the most distinguishing feature, contrasted by olive green upper parts and a slightly darker greenish black tail. The males generally expect brighter colors compared to the females, which helps in attracting mates during the breeding season. This species is predominantly found in the Himalayas, spanning regions of northern India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, and parts of the Tibet. It prefers higher altitudes, usually between 15 to 3000 meters above the sea level. The Himalayan yellow-breasted greenfinch thrives in a variety of habitats, including subtropical or tropical moist montane forests, shrublands, and even in gardens and plantations. Himalayan yellow-breasted greenfinch is often seen foraging on the ground or in low bushes. They have a strong tapering beak that allows them to crack open hard seeds with ease. Their diet mainly consists of seeds from a variety of plants including grasses, herbs and trees. Occasionally they may also consume small insects, especially during the breeding season when they require additional protein. These birds are known for their melodic songs, which include a series of trills and warblers. The calls play a crucial role in maintaining flock solidity and preventing intruders. Vocalizations are used for a variety of purposes, including attracting mates, signaling alarm, and establishing territory. Each call type serves a specific function within their social structure. These birds often form symbiotic relationship with plants, aiding in pollination and seed spread. They also serve as prey for large birds and mammals, maintaining the balance within the ecosystem. The Himalayan yellow-breasted greenfinch is a captivating bird that enriches the biodiversity of the Himalayan region. Understanding the conserving this species is crucial for maintaining ecological balance and preserving the natural beauty of their habitats. This Himalayan yellow-breasted greenfinch is captured at Saifullah Lake in Kalam Valley. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.